up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today's quote is coming from Olympic gold medalist and world record setter Florence Griffith Joyner, also known as Flo-Jo. And it says, "I believe in the impossible because no one else does." So today I am so excited to be sampling this year's 2024 Black History collection from Maya's Cookies. You'll remember we did this on the channel last year, and I just love the opportunity to celebrate and to support a Black-owned business. So there are 3 cookies in this collection, so let's get into it. So this first cookie is actually to honor Flo-Jo, and it's called the Trailblazer. Let me give you a description. It is a vanilla bean butter rum cookie full of rich toffee flavors, sweetly spiced with cinnamon and shimmering gold sparkle. So if you know anything about Flo-Jo, the cookie in its design and essence is very intentional. So I just want to show the cookie. I don't know if you guys can see all the good gold in it, but very nice. All right, here we go. Okay, first thoughts is like, ooh, this tastes so buttery and just, it tastes familiar, like kind of giving an elevated sugar cookie, kind of giving, wants to have some essence of a snickerdoodle, but also like somebody's auntie made these cookies for you. Very, very good. I just, familiar is the best way I can describe this cookie. Really, really good. Moving right along, the next cookie is called the Grand Slam, and I'm sure you can imagine who that is about. So this is a Serena Williams inspired cookie, and it's a rich chocolate dough that's filled with cookie butter, pieces of premium Kanda dark chocolate, and stuffed with marshmallow. So it's already giving big energy. So I want you guys to see this. I don't even know where to start with this one, but I'm excited. Oh, this is giving brownie brittle. You know how you just love the crispy edges of a brownie? It's that. The layers are not too much. They complement each other so well. It's got a little bit of saltiness to it, which just gives it a nice balance with the rich chocolatey flavor. Y'all, I definitely feel like I'm coming back to this one. And the last cookie in this collection is called the MVP, and it is inspired by Magic Johnson. So this is a brown sugar cookie loaded with chocolate chips, caramel chips, toasted pecans, and shredded coconut, blanketed in a caramelized vegan condensed milk. A lot going on in the cookie. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love toasted coconut, so I'm already here for it. I think I'm gonna start here because there's a lot of chocolate on this section. So the smell of this cookie actually greeted me before the actual biting into it and the taste of it. I thought with all that going on in the list of ingredients that it would be overwhelming and really, really rich, but it's subtle and it's nice, and it's a really, really well balanced cookie. I really like this. I really like this. Honestly, all these cookies get the Sista Girl Tuesday poppin'. I just love the creativity in these cookies. I love that they're inspired by real people with amazing stories who, you know, have given so much to our history, to the culture. I just love it. And so if you have a Maya's Cookies near you, I think you should make sure that you stop in and get them. So according to the POP method, we have presentation and plating. The cookies, you saw them. They are gorgeous. I mean, the optics, that's giving us all the sensory things. So smell, amazing, taste, like the cookies are soft. Honestly, that very first cookie feels warm, like if it was warmed up, and it wasn't, it was room temperature. just so good. And then price, I got 3 cookies. Like I said, these are the Black History Collection cookies. I spent about $13, but honestly, these are so worth it that I don't even miss that $13. So again, I love these cookies. If you have a chance to check out the collection, please do so. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.